Good morning, students. Welcome back to science class on the chapter gravitation. So, in the previous class, we discussed the force of attraction between the two objects and how two objects attract each other. Okay. So, for example, just imagine two objects. Okay. So, say I will take this as mass of this object as m1 and this as m2, and I will take force of attraction. Okay, that is F. So, yes, good morning to all. And here maybe here this object. Okay, this object maybe attract towards this one, or this object attracts towards this one. We don't know. So that depends that the force of attraction, which depends on the masses of the objects. Okay. Then we can calculate the force of attraction between the two objects. That is F is equals to G into m1 into m2 divided by d square. Okay, so F is equals to G into m1 into m2 divided by d square. Here m1 and m2 are the masses of the objects, and it is the distance. D is the distance between the objects. Here we should take the distance from the centers of the objects. So we can't take from here to here. Okay, so here we should take the mass from the centers of the objects. Okay, see, you can ask, sir, why if see what is the statement of the universal law of gravitation? In this universe, all the objects attracts other objects. Suppose you can ask, here I have two markers. Okay, if I keep on the table, they won't attract, right? Why? So that is due to the frictional force. Okay, frictional force and air resistance. If you remove all the unwanted forces, for example, if you remove the air resistance, frictional force, everything, then maybe after some time, so both the markers of both the objects will attract each other. Okay, how our solar system is formed, how sun and how all the planets are formed. Okay, so that is on the basis of this theory only. Okay, so here every object. Yes, here someone send on sticker emoji. Okay, don't send that one. Yes, now stop saying good morning. Okay, good morning to all. Just listen the class. Say F is equals to G into m1 and m2 divided by d square. Okay, Earth and all the sun, all the planets, they are found on the basis of this theory. I think Big Bang theory. Okay, so all the masses are attracted, joined. Okay, then they become planets and stars. So what is the statement of the universal law of gravitation? So in this universe, every object attracts every other object, and that force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay. This is the universal law of gravitation statement, and this is the formula. Yesterday I have given one homework. The mass of the Earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg, and that of the Moon is 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 kg. Okay, if the distance between the Earth and the Moon is 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer, calculate the force exerted by the Earth on the Moon. Okay, so G is equals to 6 point. So now we will do that one. First, I'll write the given data, that is mass of the Earth. I'll take mass of the Earth as m1. So what is that? M1 is 6 into 10 raised to the power 24. M1 is 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg. And the second one, mass of the Moon. I'll take that mass of the Moon as m2. That is 7.4 into 10 raised to 22. 7.4 into 10 raised to the power 22 kg. Okay. Next, the distance between the Earth and the Moon. that is D is equals to 3 into 3.84 into 10 raised to the power 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer. So now convert into meter. Tell me. So convert this distance into meter first. Yes. Now convert this kilometer into meter, and G value is equals to kg. 5 plus 10 raised to the power 3. You know this formula. A to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay, so we can write 3.84 into 10 raised to the power 8. So 3.84 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter. Okay. So now here what do you want? Calculate the force exerted. Force exerted by the earth on the moon. Okay. Yes, sir. So now calculate. So what is the formula? You know, right? The force of attraction between two objects. To calculate that force, we know the formula, that is F is equals to G into M1 into M2 divided by D square. Okay. Yes. Now substitute the values. So G value, that is 6.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 into M1, that is 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 into 7.4 into 10 raised to the power 22. Okay. So 6 into 22 divided by D square, that is 6.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 whole square. Okay. Yes. So now how to solve this one? If 11 whole square. Okay. Yes. So now how to solve this one? If you have calculator, you can solve easily. So here you have to do without calculator. So now here keep all the powers one side. Just keep all the powers one side. Okay. So here you can write like this. 6.7 into 6 into 7 into 6 into 7.4 into 1.4 into here 10 raised to the power minus 11 into 10 raised to the power 24 into 10 raised to the power 22. Okay. Then here, so now take the square. 6.7 square into minus 11 into 2. Or we can write, so now take the square here. So you can write like this. Okay. So here don't multiply 11 into 11 here. Okay, you know this formula. A to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. 11 here. Okay, you know this formula. A to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So you have to multiply 11 into 2, that is 22. Okay. So you have to multiply 11 into 2, that is 22. Okay. and here you have to take square of 6.7. So clear? Now tell me, just operate here. Just do calculation these powers and tell me the answer. These powers and tell me the answer. Quick. So what will be the answer? 10 raised to the power minus 11 into 10 raised to the power 24 into 10 raised to the power 22. Tell me what is the answer? Quick. Quick. Sir, video is not. Sir, video is not clear. Clear. Please change the resolution. Okay. Please change the resolution. Okay. So don't select that auto. Select that auto. Select 8p or 720p. Tell me. So what is the answer? 10 raised to the power minus 11 into 10 raised to 24 into 10 raised to 24 into 10 raised to the power 22. Okay. See, I'll just first operate here. 24 into 10 raised to 24 into 10 raised to the power 24 into 10 raised to the power 22. So what is the answer? 10 raised to 24 into 10 raised to the power 24 into 10 raised to the power 22. So what is the answer? 7.36 to 10 raised to the power. What is that? See here. 24 plus 22. What is the answer? That is 46. Okay. So we can write here. F is equals to 7.4 and into 10 raised to the power minus 11 into 10 raised to the power 46 divided by, see what, 46 divided by, see what is the 6 or 6.7 square? 6.7 into 6.7. 6.7 into 6.7. 44.89. 44.89 into 10 raised to the power minus 22. Okay. Next. Now operate these two. Six 6.7 into 6 into 7.4 into, now here minus 11 plus 46. So what is the answer? That is 35. So 10 raised to the power 35 divided by, so 44.89 into 10 raised to the power minus 22. Okay. See, no need to, you can multiply directly first step these two. Okay, just I am solving step by step. Clear? If no answer, just multiply 6.7 to 6 into 7.4. You can write the answer directly. No need to solve each and every step in particular. Okay. Next. Write the answer directly. No need to solve each and every step in particular. Okay. Next. So now, see here, take this power here, take this power here, take that 10 raised to minus 22 upper, take that 10 raised to minus 22 upper side. side. Divided by d square. Okay. Now, so keep all the parts on one side. It is 6.7 into 6 into 7.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 into 10 raised to the power 24 into 10 raised to the power 22 divided by, here d square means 3.84. 3.84 into 10 raised to the power 8 whole square. Okay. Yes. So now, so we can write 3.84 square into 10 raised to the power 16 because 8 square. Okay. So not 8. 3.84 square into 10 raised to the power 16 because 8 square. Okay. So not 8 square. 8 into 2. Now, so after these three, so tell me the answer. So here video is not clear, video is not loading. Okay, please change the resolution. So yeah, next, f is equals to 6.7 into 6 into 7.4 into, see here, 10 plus 24 plus 22, 10 raised to minus 11 into 10 raised to power 46 divided by, and here 3.84. What is the square? Square of 3.84? 3.84 into 3.84. Okay, that is 14.7456. 14.7456 into 10 raised to the power 16. Clear? Next. Now here 46 minus 11 is 35. So f is equals to 6.7 into 6 into 7.4 into 10 raised to the power 9. We can write plus 35 divided by 7.4 into 10 raised to the power 9. We can write plus 35 divided by 14.7456 into 10 raised to the power 16. Okay, so take the numerator, that is 6.74 into 6 into 7.4 into 10 raised to the power 35 into, here it will become minus 16. Okay, because you are taking to the numerator, right? You are taking that 10 raised to 16 from denominator to numerator, and here 14.7456. Okay, here you can, here now you can write this as 14.7456 7 also. Okay, so here 4 is the right, so you can stop here. Okay, otherwise it will become lengthy. So you can write that as 14.7. Write this as 14.7 as 14.7. Write this as 14.7 into 10 raised to the power 16. 14.7 into 10 raised to the power 16. Okay. Yes. Next. Uh, Next. Into here 35 16. 35 minus 16. 19. Okay. It is 10 raised to the power. Sorry. Plus 19. 19 divided by 14.7. Okay. So now multiply 6.7 into 6. Now multiply 6.7 into 6. 6.7 into 6. 6.7 into 6. That is 40.7 into 6. That is 40.2. Okay. 40.2 into 7. 40.2 into 7.4 into 10 raised to the power 19. 10 raised to the power 19 divided by 14.7. 40.2 into 7.4 into 10 raised to the power 19. Next, 40.2 into 7.4. 40.2 into 7.4. So what is the answer? That is 297. 297. 297.48. 297.48 into 10 raised to the power 19 divided by 14.7. Okay. So now better here. Into 100 into 100. Okay. So multiply here into 100. Multiply here into 100 divided by 100. So you will get 29748 divided by 1470 into 10 raised to the power 19 into 10 raised to the power 19. Okay. So now just divide 20 means you have to put 20 zeros. How much that force is big. Okay. Sir, video is loading. Sir, video is only loading, sir. So please change the resolution, okay? Or please check your internet connection. Yes, so here the answer is F is equals to 2.02 into 10 raised to the power 20 Newton. Okay. So here, next, what according to this law, universal of gravitation, all the objects attracts every other objects. Okay. In our solar system, here, this is sun. Okay. So this is Mercury, and say this is Earth. take one more, Venus. Mercury, Venus, Earth. Okay. See here, all these planets are revolving around the sun. So why? That is due to the gravitational force between the sun and the planets. That gravitational force. Okay. See here continuously these planets continuously they are changing the direction. Suppose if you remove the sun from here, what will happen? These planets they will pursue in a straight line, or they will move in a straight line like this. Okay. Suppose if Mercury is here, okay, at this position, when you remove the sun, then it will move in a straight line like this. Okay. So suppose Venus is here. Okay. If you remove at this position, if you remove the sun, then it will move straight like this. Okay. So here the gravitational force from the sun, which keeps all the planets revolving around the sun. Okay, so due to that gravitational force, all the planets are revolving around the sun. You can ask why is these two according to that universal law of gravitation, every object attracts, right? It should attract. By why these are not attracting? So because yesterday we have discussed it, right? That thread experiment. Okay. See, this thread is moving. See, this thread is moving right in a circular path. It is moving in a circular path. Okay. See, when you stop this one, when you stop that rotation, what will happen? It will come to the center. While rotating, when you release that one, what will happen? It will move in a straight line. Why? Because you are giving the force continuously. So that's why that centripetal, we call it as centripetal force. So that force which keeps the stone to move in a circular path. Here also same. So due to the gravitational force from the sun, that gravitational force which keeps the planets in a circular path. Okay, they won't attract towards the sun. Okay, if there is no force, maybe they'll attract. Okay, because see here, now when you remove the sun, what will happen? They'll move in a straight line. Okay. Yes. Now see here. Video is coming double time. No, how it is possible? Just turn off your data or put your mobile in aeroplane mode once. Okay. See here. Now you can ask. Okay. Yes. So due to the gravitational force, these planets they won't come or they won't move towards the sun. First, just they will rotate on their own axis. Why? Because they are not attracted towards the sun. So that is because due to the gravitational force, they won't move towards the sun or they won't move away from the sun. That is due to the gravitational force. Now you can ask, so why these two, for example, say Venus and Earth, they can attract, right? According to that law. See, in this universe, every object attracts every other objects. So then these two can attract, right? See, observe here. The force of attraction is there between this Venus and Earth. This force of attraction is less than the force of attraction between Sun and Venus and Sun and Earth. Okay, this force of attraction which is greater than this force of attraction. So that's why the planets they won't attract each other. Clear? Okay. So why Venus and Earth? Why these two are not attracting? Why? Because this force of attraction, the force of attraction between Venus and Earth, this force of attraction is less than the force of attraction between Sun and Venus and Sun and Earth. Okay, so that's why the planets they won't attract. Okay, then the same answer in case of Moon. Okay, so Moon is also revolving, right? So Moon is revolving only around the Earth. Okay, here. Now you can ask, sir, sun and moon can attract. Now here, the force of attraction between sun and moon, the force of attraction between sun and moon, which is less than the force of attraction between earth and moon. You can ask, sir, now see here, the sun size is extremely big, right? Why? Because the size of that sun is equals to 13 lakhs of earth. So 13 lakhs earth is equals to one sun. Okay, so then this that force of attraction should be greater, right? But what is that? That formula says that F is equals to G into m1 into m2 divided by d square. Okay, this force of attraction is directly proportional to mass, but inversely proportional to d square, right? Here that distance also matters. Okay, here the distance is more, but the distance between earth and moon, that is less. So that's why the force of attraction between earth and moon is greater than the force of attraction between sun and moon. Okay, so that's why the moon which rotates around the earth. Okay. uh, Yes, some students are saying video is not clear. Okay. Yes, whatever it is. So I will stop here. Tomorrow I'll continue the class. So in the tomorrow class we will discuss free fall. Already I have told right what is free fall. So when the objects are under the influence of gravitational force, so then we can say that those objects are in free fall. Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss the relation between small g and capital G. The relation between small g and capital G. Okay, so tomorrow's class is important, so don't miss it. Yes, so when is the test, how to take? See, your test means I will send one link, okay, in your WhatsApp group. So just press that link, okay. One page will be open. So there you have to enter your name, Gmail ID, your Gmail ID, and your WhatsApp number. Okay, then that questions will open. Okay. And there I will give time. I will give time. So you have to answer those. You have to answer those questions within time. Okay. Otherwise, if you take more time, automatically that page will turn off. Yeah. Yes. To continue tomorrow. Thank you.